So we've got our DSG pan gasket replaced. That's all torqued up, connectors back together. We need to change the DSG filter. So kind of under the back corner of the battery tray is the DSG filter. So it's a 24 millimeter nut to that cover. You should pull a battery in the battery tray to access that. I'm stubborn, so I'm going to see if I can get that off with a wrench and I can replace that filter without pulling the battery. See if we win or lose. So here's our DSG service kit. Got this off Rock Auto. I don't know why I'm saying that, they're not paying me anything. So there's our filter, and there's our DSG fluid. Okay, so 5 liters. We basically got to dump all of this in, then we'll get the thing running once the intake's back together. And there's a procedure that you warm up the transmission basically to a certain temperature, and then that larger drain plug, you remove that, and the 8 mil plug inside sets the level. You let it kind of puke out whatever excess at the proper temperature, then you put the plug back in and you should be good. So there's a special tool apparently that you're supposed to use to fill this from underneath, kind of a fitting, and then you just kind of fill the fluid from that. I don't have that, so I'm going to try and fill the DSG fluid through the filter access at the top of the transmission. We'll see how that works. So, there we go. There is the filter hole. Now, I believe all we should have to do is just kind of get a funnel and guide it down to that hole, and we should be able to dump our 5 liters down that hole. Should be able to. We'll see how that works. Let's see if I can get that funnel down there. Okay, it's in the hole. Let's see if we make a big mess or not. This might be a big mistake, but we'll find out momentarily. Yeah, it's going. It's just going real slow. So I'm going to spare you the pain, and I'm not going to make you watch this. But it's working. It is possible. You just got to let it glug, glug, glug. Might take a couple 10-15 minutes. Well, we won. We were able to get the fluid filled from the filter access hole at the top. So let's get our new filter in place. They give us a new washer for the drain plug, and a new O-ring for the filter cover. So let's use it. Just a lick of the oil on the O-ring. Put the filter in place. There's an O-ring in here, so that goes down, and then the cover goes on. Filters down. Cover goes on. Okay, so once the car is back up and running, all we got to do is do our final adjustment on the level for the DSG and we're good.